How to add clickable links to your TikTok story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add clickable links to your TikTok stories. So this is really useful feature for creators, brands, or anyone who wants to get people to visit websites, products, or other content outside of TikTok. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you meet the requirements because not everyone can share links in their TikTok stories. So to get this feature, you need a TikTok business account with at least 1,000 followers and the latest version of TikTok application installed on your device. If you have all of those, you're all set. If you don't, you can switch to a business account in your setting. It's free and only takes a few seconds. And once you've done that, open the TikTok app. Go to your profile, tap on the plus icon in your profile. Select the photo or video that you want to use for your story. Next, tap on the sticker icon that is between the text and the filters option. Select the link option. This will open a box where you can enter the link that you want to share and the text you want people to see as the link. Enter both the link and the display text. Then you can place the clickable link wherever you want on your story. After posting, viewers can simply tap on it, and that's it. You've successfully added a clickable link to your TikTok story. This is a simple but effective way to increase engagement and send people your website or content. So if this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.